Please, please.
I don't take no chances. Fill up all the.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that the mine?
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Diane. I'm a Abuja based YouTuber, and yeah, I create fashion, lifestyle and beauty content. If you enjoy my vlogs or if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to the channel, join the family. Also give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. So today, as you can already tell, or as you can see from the title, we are going out. So we are going to be rating Abuja Restaurants, basically new series. Okay, we're going to be rating the restaurants because I mean I like trying out new restaurants, I like trying out new places, so why not? So yeah, today is the first day, first episode. We are going to, what's the name of this place? I think where are we going? Oh, yeah, okay, Weather Room Cafe Abuja. So it's like a cafe restaurant, and yeah, I just want to check it out with my friend, and yeah, I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. My cab is already here, so I'll be going downstairs now and you guys are going to come along with me. So yeah, let's go.
I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time. because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly.
Hi guys, so we just finished eating. Time is like, it's almost 9, it's like 8:30 right now, and we're heading home. But first of all, we wanted to give like our opinion on the restaurant and what we thought. So what do you think, Essie? How was the food? Like, I'm going to rate it on like the restaurant's ambience, the taste of the food, and the service. Yeah.
I had
What did you?
I had
What did you?
chicken noodles and it was tasty good.
Yeah.
It was very nice actually. And I would rate it a 9/10. It was very nice.
Yeah, so I tasted it was very nice as well, but it was a little bit spicy.
You can the taste. Am I finishing everything as well?
You finish everything.
Okay. And ambulance, I'll give it 7 because I felt the weather, but then some things were off about.
Yeah.
Some things were off. Then service was perfect.
Yeah.
9 again.
Yeah, I think so. I agree with you. Like with the ambience.
Came fast.
Did it?
Come fast. I think I missed her so much.
Did
We're
it?
catching up, so I didn't really
Yeah, we didn't really notice, but
give it time.
I know that they didn't bring the drinks immediately. Sha. They brought the drinks like before,
Oh, they wasted time.
like 2 minutes
Five.
before.
5 for
Yeah.
time. Preparation of
But it was not so much because I know some restaurants that they wasted like 1 hour of my time.
it's okay. So
Yeah, I'll give the ambience 8 because I really like it. It's very cool, but there are some things that were a bit off about it.
yeah, whether I'm having
They had like coffee pictures on the walls, and it didn't really go with the aesthetic of the whole place. So that was what was giving her, like, the vibe was a bit off there. But apart from that, everything was fine. What else? Their food, the rice I had was very, very, very nice. It's very small. It's a cafe actually. It's a cafe, so it's quite small. But their food,
weather aesthetics very nice.
yeah. But the rice I had was pretty small. I don't know. I had rice and
Are
chicken.
very small.
I mean, your indomie was not so bad. Your noodles. The noodles was not so small, Sha, but it was.
Yeah, quantity was okay, but the rice was small.
The rice was very small. I even showed you.
You need 2 portions of that rice.
Yeah, actually, 2 portions. Yeah, but it was very tasty.
And then the drink was nice. I had something sunset rice.
Sunny rice or something. Yeah, and then I had Chapman. But anyway, it wasn't bad at all. Would I compare it again? Overall, I'll give this an 8. Yeah. Are you going to be visiting again? You said no. I'll probably come here to like work or something, cause
Yeah, when I wear tracks, something like that.
I'll probably come here like to work or like to edit a video or something, cause it's pretty small, pretty chill. It's a normal cafe, but yeah, that's it, man. That's it. So yeah, that's the end of this review. We'll see you guys in our next reviews because we're trying out different restaurants. Okay. Alright.
If you want us to try somewhere else, you can just
Let us
comment
know
down below.
in the comment section and we will. Alright.
I'm too fly. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in